Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nika, and this is Nika's Beauty. If you are new, hey girl, hey. If you are a returning Fly Babe, welcome back. If you are new, join the Fly Babe crew. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos when we upload. So we're gonna get right into it. We are going to compare the Boxyluxe box and the Boxycharm box. This is the Boxyluxe versus the Boxycharm. So you see that this box was from June. I haven't used anything, but I did open it. So we're gonna get into this Boxyluxe. This is my first Boxyluxe box. Also, the membership that I paid for includes this Boxycharm box, which is $26. You can upgrade and get a Boxyluxe box. I believe it's every 3 months, and it's an additional 25 or 26 bucks. So this box is called the Oasis. It gives you the card, so it's bigger. And then with this box, I got 7 products. They gave me a few coupons. One was the Kylie Skin. They gave me $5 off. And then Burlesque is, I don't know. But anyways, yeah. Maybe this one ain't no. Anyways, they did give a Burlesque BB cream in this box. I'm not sure if it's going to be my shade, but it's got SPF 30. It's oil-free, moisturizing, natural coverage, matte meets glowy finish. So you already know it's already my jam because it said glowy, but if it's not the right color, we're going to have to see. This is originally $35. So it says complexion perfection for gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and a BB cream. $35. I've already, it's already more than a box. So, yes. The next was the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foam Face Wash. This is $24. Our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra-nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. The bottle is super cute. Have not used this yet. I haven't used any of the products in this box. Actually, I was waiting to record it. So we will give that a try. Next is the Malin & Goats. I think it's Malin & Gots. I have one of their masks, and then I love like a lip balm that I had from them. This here is the Recovery Treatment Oil, and this is 82 bucks. $82. I'm not gonna lie, I love this brand, but it is kind of spendy, as you could tell. Smells good too. Oh, that really does smell good. So it says this botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rose hip oils deliver vitamin C and E to improve skin tone. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. 82 bucks. 82. Next is this is the $1 Billion Brows Charcoal 5-piece brush set. Actually, these are the brushes I'm going to use. I'm going to do a little look with this box. So these are the brushes. They're super soft. I don't know how I feel about soft brushes, but I like the way they look. They're very cute. These brushes are $55. These vegan, cruelty-free, and synthetic brushes are charcoal infused for an anti-microbial effect, allowing for flawless makeup and eyeshadow. So that was $55. The next is the Lily Lash Triple X Mascara. It's an ultra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. They make it sound so great. $24. I didn't even know Lily Lash had a mascara, to be honest. I love the packaging. Packaging is cute and sleek. All right. And then we have the Tarteist Pro Amazon Clay Palette. This here is $49. Prepare for an expression explosion. Being passionate about pigment, this sequel to the OG Pro Palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20-shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. Is ready to rock your world and remix yourself. $49. I love how Tarte's palette smells. Smells delish. So we're going to use this here. And last but not, oh no, I got two more things in here. Let's get this box out the way. The next one is the Bodyography lip pencil. It's a 2-pack. This here is $28 in the shades Pouty and Rosewood. This antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with precise pigment-rich color to frame, fill in, and define lips. Enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Hard to get out. So these are the shades here. And last but not least, we have the Hallmark Collection Satin Pillow and Mask Set. So it's a satin pillowcase with a face mask. And the description for this is non-absorbent fabric that reduces hair tangle and skin friction for the ultimate beauty sleep. Set includes one satin pillowcase with matching satin eye mask. $50. So I think this box was $26. And Boxycharm, they team up with brands to give you products. So before we get into the look, that was the Boxyluxe box. We are going to open up this one. This is my very first time opening it up real time, because normally I open them up and I just come live with it because I've already looked at it. But I didn't look at this, you guys. I'm opening it with you for the very first time. Amazing, right? So you'll get to see my first reaction. This box is called Sunshine. So you see the paper size difference? It's like an upgrade of the box. Let's start here. We have Lavish Color Switch. Oh, I got another one. The Color Switch, in between like makeup colors, you can wipe off your brush so you can continue to use it. So it's a pad. You put some water on it, swipe it off. Let's see. Lavish is called, it's a brand Lavish. Quick Color Switch brush or a dry brush cleaner is $20. I'm not going to read that because it's self-explanatory. You just wipe it off. The Creme Shop, Clean Canvas Color Correcting Cushion Primer will give you a clean canvas so you can create a masterpiece. The Creme Shop Cushion Primer lays down a smooth, solid base for better makeup wearing that will last 12 plus hours and require less makeup. Let's see what this is. Oh, so it's like a compact that is a primer in here with a little sponge. So you put it on. It's an interesting way for a primer. We're going to use that. The next thing is the Clear Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. The vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion of glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. $49.95. Interesting price. Did I tell you how much the Creme Shop was? The primer was 20 bucks. So again, I've already got my money back. This box was $26. This packaging is cute. I love blue. So I like trying face stuff. That's probably the issue of my skin because I'm always trying something, right? The next is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. This is a cute packaging. I'm kind of salty. One of the boxes had Fenty, I think her translucent powder. I didn't get that one, but these are nice colors. This is $36. 12 pressed pigments palette that instantly coats the lid in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines. And last but not least, like I said, you get 5 products in here, is the Chiat London. It is Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Chiat London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray infused with coconut. This luminous alternate 5 mist holds makeup with micro pearls and adds a delicate glow over the skin. This delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. $22. So yes, very pretty. We are going to just jump right in and do a look. Let me get this primer, the Creme Shop. And put this on my face. Oh, so it's almost like a mesh pad in there. I thought it was like some type of, oh, it's really purple. Wait. Oh. No, this was it's really purple, okay? This is actually a color correcting primer. I'm just gonna put it over these blemishes here, right there. That's it, and that's all. Can cover up redness, but don't really have any redness there, but we'll just put it there for shits and giggles. I like to spray my setting sprays before too. Oh, I like this bottle. So it looks like this with this top. It's really cute. Definitely is coconut. Not bad. I'm going to do my foundation and then I will come back. I have all of my face products on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the eyes. Go ahead and use this Tarte palette. I'm gonna use the shade Innocence. This one right here. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Whimsy. Right next to it is just a darker brown. We're going to use Smoked, which is a brown, just on the outer V. We need to switch colors, so I'm gonna go ahead. I don't have any water in here, but Go ahead and dust that off. And see, it gets it back to clean enough to where you can use a different shade. But because I don't want to add any more product or that brown, I just want to blend it. So now I'm going to take this next brush from that collection. They don't have numbers or anything on it. Oh yeah, it does. No, it doesn't. I'm going to take this Glam shade, this one here, and put that right on my lid. This is a flat brush. And then we're going to just blend again. Take this next brush and we're going to do the lower lash line using that Whimsy and that brown. This is one of those quick, I want a little bit of glam, but I need to get out the door looks. Doesn't take long to do, as you can see. And it looks like, you know, we put a little bit effort into it. Now that dark brown, I'm just gonna, again, keep it in the outer V. Just connect it. Boom. We're gonna go ahead and use the Lily Lash Mascara. I swear the only the mascara that brings out my lashes a lot is Tarte and Urban Decay Profusion Lash. I stick with the same ones. I'm really not a big fan of trying mascaras. From this other palette, the Festival palette, I think I'm gonna use this peach color right here and pop that in the inner corner. This is chalky. I already don't like it. It done fell on my face. That's what I'm gonna do to that, because it's just gonna be a fallout mess. Then we are going to use, I'm gonna use this lip liner in Pouty. We're gonna switch it up. And I'm gonna change and use the Rosewood lip liner. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. If you do check out the Boxycharm, I will leave my link below for you guys. This is the final look. Hope you guys like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out my last videos, my last videos, you know, all that good stuff. Help your girl out. Share with a friend or whatnot or whatever. Come join the Fly Babes crew. Until next time, you know my motto, slay, be beautiful, and arrive and leave your stamp.